everybody, it's me again. It's April, and we're going to be talking about some Ecom products because we have Ecom now on ClickBank. Yeah, Ecom. Sorry, I'm just feeling, kind of emotional here, just feeling the feels. It's spring. It unlocks things, you just start, you get feelings and you catch feelings, and I've just caught feelings for Ecom, But in this video, I made this video just for Ecom, just for Ecom, and I hope they see it, and I hope you share it so that they can see it out there, so that they can know that we have Ecom offers now. And just in case you're new here, my name is Michael Lohman. If you can tell them that that's my name, that would be cool. And I'm an affiliate sales manager here at ClickBank, which is cool. I keep a pulse on what the best offers are at all times, and by the end of this video, you'll know them too, and maybe Ecom will know me too. All right, let's get to the top ClickBank Ecom offers, kicking it off with Diggity Dog Dan. That's right, the online dog trainer from Doggy Dan. Here are the stats. They are starting at a 70% rev share for it, and earnings per order on that are amazing. It works great for listicle traffic, it works great on native, and it works great on Google search and display. And we love Doggy Dan here at ClickBank. Yeah, I mean, obviously, because I'm calling him Diggity Dog. But the online dog trainers program is exactly what you think it is. It is a course that teaches you how to train your good boy to be calm and well-behaved, and hopefully they will be a better boy than the boy that I have at home. This core front-end product costs $97 with no recurring fees, and it's positioned as an alternative to expensive dog training classes, equipment, or tools. And of course, the seller has a huge range of different pet products with various commission rates, and here's why it's great for affiliates, because they convert. So you can find the dog calming code in the ClickBank Marketplace, so go check it out. At offer number 4, we have a new one. It is Pulsetto. You might have recognized it from the bonus offer on the last video, and here are the stats on this one. It's starting off with an earnings per order at $100 CPA. Yeah, $100 CPA, and with more sales, they can go even higher. It is a leading non-invasive doctor-approved vagus nerve stimulator. Over 300,000 customers. It performs well on search, Meta, native, YouTube. Just name the channel and it works great, and especially on listicle, of course. And just from the last 30 days of data, it's got an EPC of $6.80 and a conversion rate of 4.57% and exceptionally low returns. It is amazing. You can find out more about it by going to, what was that? The ClickBank Marketplace. Yeah, I knew you knew that. So, see you there. At number 3, we have Vanotium. It is a special cutting board for the kitchen that bills itself as always clean, always safe. And I like my cutting boards the way I like my seat belts, safe. So it's got an earnings per order starting at 45% rev share. And what is it? Well, plastic boards breed bacteria, and wooden boards soak up meat juices. I want my meat juices. So Vanotium solves both problems. It allows me to get more meat juices and not get me sick. It's 100% hygienic. It keeps my knives razor sharp and wipes clean in seconds. Total game changer because I'm lazy. And I'm sure other people out there are just like me. As always, you can find out more and promote Vanotium by visiting the ClickBank Marketplace. See you there. All right, at number 2, we have Rocket Languages. And Rocket Languages is always rocketing, see what I did there, to the top offers charts. This is an amazing online language learning program that teaches users foreign languages fast. And here are the metrics you need to know for Rocket Languages. It has an earnings per order of over, just go to the last video. I already told you. Click the link below. But it is starting at 40% rev share, which means it's going to give you great returns. It's converting great on native, on Google Display, on Google Search, on YouTube, on Meta. It's a great product. You have to be whitelisted for it first, but it's a great evergreen digital product that just teaches people how to speak new languages with confidence. And if there's anything the world could use at this moment is really understanding what the other is saying. And affiliates love Rocket Languages because it appeals to almost anyone who speaks words. Plus, you benefit from this recognizable brand that learners trust, which helps you convert and earn consistent recurring commissions of nearly $100 per sale. So good. So just note that this product requires approval to promote, like I said. And if you got the traffic, Rocket Languages is going to go supernova in your commissions, not on the platform where they take off. So go promote it. And at number 1, a new number 1. Well, I mean, we've just been doing this 2 months on the Ecom offers, but it's a new number 1. And yes, it's not much of a question since I might have spoiled the intro because it is worth highlighting. You don't want to sleep on it. It's Derila Ergo pillow because you do want to sleep on it. It's a pillow that changes everything. And it's got great metrics. Over $1 on the EPC, over 1% on the conversion rate. And they're starting off at $50 CPA now. $50! My goodness! And we've seen everyday affiliates pick up Derila Ergo and start making serious money. No lie, we've seen people make their first sales on ClickBank with Derila Ergo when they never made another sale on other products. It's amazing. It's actually one of our top offers in general for the month of April. Not just on Ecom, but anywhere. So what is Derila Ergo? Well, it's a pillow with a revolutionary butterfly design that cradles your neck and head in a perfect alignment, turning restless nights into deep, pain-free, rejuvenating sleep that just make you sleep like a baby and make you feel cradled and feels like somebody's telling you, you matter. Anyway, I was tempted to make a sleep pun here, but I'm just going to give it a rest. But really, just makes you feel like, somebody cares. Not like no one else cares. They just lock me in a room and don't tell me just to do the offers. But I can't change my nature, okay? Anyway, you can find Derila Ergo in the marketplace, and you should, because it's great. And you should sleep on it. And so should others. So go, promote it. And real quick, just wanted to share that we got one bonus offer from the same people who made Derila Ergo pillow. It's Purasaki. Yeah, Purasaki patches. And you're probably thinking, what? This Nutra? Yeah, it is an Ecom Nutra offer. Yeah. It is. It's white hat. It's amazing. It's starting at $50 CPA. And Purasaki berberine patches combine plant-based berberine with other natural ingredients to help users manage appetite, curb cravings, and support metabolism gently and consistently throughout the day. And these patches are a convenient needle-free format that customers love. And when you promote Purasaki, you'll benefit from a proven winner with impressive conversion rates and great payouts. Best of all, this brand has already sold 1 million of these patches worldwide, and now they're making a strong push towards the US and Canadian markets. So it performs great across all traffic sources: Google, Meta, Native, listicles, you name it. It's amazing. So jump on this one before the other affiliates get wind of it, because it's going to go big. So we have Ecom now, 2 months in a row, and we're just going to have more Ecom month after month after month. So if you're new at ClickBank, click the description below and start promoting with us. Hello. And we also have the biggest top offers of all verticals in this other video, or this other video, or these ones. I'm just pointing because it makes our editor have to put them everywhere. So until next time, happy scaling. I hope Ecom sees this.